really shocking to see that the entire police force is silent spectators and he's been named as Ramdas Gopal, and next 2 days who have come. And the BJP leaders are appreciating them, garlanding them, and giving Sabashi to, okay, you've done a great thing. What exactly is the country is made to watch? What sort of an example is the government setting? When scores of people are on the roads, it's not just the Muslims, because there's another conspiracy telling that the Muslims are the only people who are protesting, the opposition, the Congress, and in Tamil Nadu, the DMK, the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu has told in the assembly that Muslims are falling prey to wrong propaganda. The Congress and the DMK are instigating them. Come on, please listen to what is exactly the truth. It's not just the Muslims who are protesting. In Assam, the Chief Minister of Assam, being a BJP government over there, they have passed a resolution that we will not implement NCR and NRC in our state, and we reject CAA. And in 10 other states, like our neighboring states in Kerala and Pondicherry, they have passed a resolution. So, first and foremost, the Chief Minister of the state should not tell anything like that, standing in the assembly, that Muslims should not fall to prey to such instigation. This is not an instigation. We are all fighting for India. We are all fighting for India to be a secular nation, to be a democratic nation.
So, ma'am, where do you get all the funds from? Is there any foreign country involved with us? Involved with you guys?
The foreign countries are involved in protesting along with us, but not in funding. This is all happening instantly. People are just coming out on their own with the patriotism which we saw. I think our forefathers would have seen. We were not born during the freedom struggle of India. I think that has genetically we have all inherited that how our forefathers fought for our country to be freed from the slavery of the foreign forces. So that movement I'm seeing again here. That was not fought with any foreign funds. I think People Revolution is not fought with foreign funds. That is another allegation put on the protesters, that they have been instigated by foreign forces, which are vehemently condemned and denied. Please don't brand these real patriots, the people who are fighting for the nation to be united as one, in spite of all the religions that we follow, the languages that we have, the culture that we have, the tradition that we have, and still we are all united as Indians. The greatness of India's unity in diversity.
What will be your next step? Like the protesting is going on. So what will be the next?
I think India has got a beautiful example where the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, has set exemplary steps for us to follow. We don't have to go to any other country to do what next. Because the Mahatma started with the Swadeshi movement, the Khilafat movement, the Salt Satyagraha, and Quit India movement, and the final thing was non-cooperation movement. So I think the protesters are very clear about it. What is a very highlight of the entire protest is, in spite of all this branding and in spite of all this wrong propaganda, the entire India is united.
Thanks a lot to come with us and share with your and thanks a lot.
Really appreciate it.
And let's